Hi, today we are going to discuss how to open a disabled macro file. Like in this example, you can see once you open the Excel, there's a red ribbon over here. So in this scenario, what you have to do that please ensure that the macro is enabled in this computer. So for that, first you have to click on the file, click on the options. There is a trust center. Click on here, trust center setting, macro setting. Please ensure this VBA is enabled. Click OK. OK. Then what you have to do is that file save as that file once again. I am putting it as in D drive like 1, 2, 3. And please ensure that this Excel is macro enabled. Then you save it. Once you save the file, you open it again. Now the ribbon is not there. Now you click on the macro, it will work like that. Okay, thank you for watching the video.